The freshly harvested crop is immediately moved from the climate-controlled trucks onto the high-speed conveyor systems for sorting. Equipped with the latest scanning technology, the system identifies foreign materials instantly, like
These towering stainless steel silos store the grated peanuts under strict temperature and humidity control.
The sensors are regulating the flow well. We're preventing any clogging today.
Agreed. The output looks optimal. Everything is well within the acceptable parameters.
Good. Let's log this batch as verified.
guided by heat-resistant conveyor belts, the harvest enters the drying tunnel, a critical step signaling operational status. Inside the drying chamber, hot air circulates from these panels, ensuring uniform moisture removal.
The failure rate spiked at the 40 hertz mark.
Yes, but the separation accuracy is holding steady.
The fluctuations in zone 3 are minimal.
Ramping up the burners now. We are maintaining surgical precision.
We had 3 flagged items in the last minute.
All removed successfully. The system is performing optimally.
The resistance levels are consistent with the reference standard.
Yes, the crispness metrics confirm a pass for this lot.
this fluctuation here on the pressure graph.
It seems localized to batch 3R. We should monitor it closely.
Inventory levels are holding steady at 98% capacity.
Acknowledged. Shipment 34B is cleared for immediate dispatch.
Automated guided vehicles move with precision, selecting and scanning shipments. The entire distribution process accelerates, ensuring efficient dispatch.
The data suggests an ETA delay due to the weather overlay.
All right, adjust the timeline and notify customs electronically.
The transformation is complete. Industrial precision meets premium quality, delivered directly to you.
Look at this heat map here. That's a 5% improvement over the last quarter.
The system is handling the micro adjustments seamlessly.
It's fascinating to watch the profiles optimize in real time.
The caramelized notes are much stronger in this batch.
Agreed. Let's increase the roast time by 10 seconds on the next one. We're seeing a much smoother profile with the adjusted drums.
The improvement is continuous. This line never stops evolving.
The tensile strength held up well, right up to the expected limit.
Yes, and the elongation percentage is exactly what we need for the certification.
The global standards are clearly being met across the board.
Agreed. The openness of the team is very reassuring.
Earning global trust means adhering to the highest standards. Our certifications are a testament to our dedication to compliance.
The Q3 data confirms the upward trend in the Southeast Asian market. This insight really drives our scaling strategy.
This is tomorrow's factory. Planning meets simulation. Vision drives evolution.
The journey from raw commodity to luxury good. This transformation clearly demonstrates the power of modern industrial value creation.